Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody sent me this logo to the left, or excuse me, to the right, and they wanted to invert the colors. You can see that the picture is black, but the butterfly is white, but it's not, it's a really interesting graphic. I love it. And when I first saw it, I thought there's no way, because this is JPEG, but it worked. I mean, I'm pretty impressed with the way it came out. Now, because some of the lines of the flowers aren't complete, there's breakages here, and when I converted it, it did the exact same thing. I was really shocked. I was just thinking that ain't going to work, but it worked. So if we go to Trace Bitmap, Outline Trace, Clip Art, takes just a second, but it almost automatically does it. And then I'm gonna bump up the detail to 100%, let it do its thing. Now, when we move this away, now there are some lines in there if we look under view and wireframe, but we can get rid of those lines. And see, they were there on my first one. I don't think they're gonna print, but if we get the virtual segment delete key and delete these lines, then you'd have to go through and I don't think they're gonna print. I never have really figured out what these lines are. And also, once you've got a line, you could probably grab it, go up to Object, Group, and ungroup it, and then grab that line, and it'll grab all the lines, much like right there. Then, just turn there and make that black. Well, I'm under wireframe. I always forget about that. I very seldom ever use wireframe. But there's your graphic all in black. Now, it doesn't have the tint, like the flowers do, but it's almost like the sun's hitting it differently. It's a pretty cool graphic. I was really kind of surprised. I love the butterfly. I might use that in the future for something else, but there he goes. I mean, that's now, don't forget to, since we ungrouped it, got to group it together, and then you can make it any size you want. Pretty cool corner frame type effect. Let's just make sure there's nothing there by taking the yellow box, go to arrange, order back a page, and there's nothing there. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.